Start. Hello guys, today I'm gonna explain you how to make a relational schema using a ER diagram. This is the ER diagram we're gonna use today. We got region, stores, sales transaction, customer, category, vendor as in entities, and the located in includes belongs to as in relationship, and all the region ID, region name, those are the attributes of the entities. Now let's start with the region. Let's put it into the relation table. Put it right here, which is a region and region name, region, and the unique ID, which is region ID, which is unique to the region, and region name, is one of the attributes. Just take this out and let's make store entity table for the store. Store and the store ID, store chip, and region ID, since the store is located in the region, which is a foreign key, so we gotta specify that it's a foreign key. And don't forget to put a bold and underline under the region ID, and so that we know that's a unique ID. And let's do the sales transaction after that. We're just gonna make the tables for now and do the other things later. Sales transaction, just the same way. Put the unique IDs, TID and TDate. We also need a foreign key that is store ID and customer ID, because since it's a sales transaction between the customer and the store, we need to specify that it's a foreign key that is related to each other, and always do the bold and underline to specify that's a unique ID. Now let's do the customer. Let's just put it right here. Customer, customer, and the customer ID, customer name, and customer chip. Alright, so this is a customer table for the customer entity. Now let's go on with the product. Just the same table, because we don't need to change anything, because we need the same things over and over. We don't have any different attribute for this. So for product, the unique ID, that is product ID, and product price, product name, bad. And we also need the vendor ID as a foreign key, since they are related to each other. You already know vendor. We get the product through vendor. And let's just duplicate this and make another one and make it a category ID, which specify what product we're getting from the vendor. So this is a product entity. Now let's do the vendor. All right, vendor, vendor, vendor. Unique ID is vendor ID, vendor ID, and vendor name. Vendor name. We don't need these rows. Cancel that. Okay, and just want to cancel that. Oh, quantity. Alright, let's do the category one. And category ID and category name. Name. And let's cancel these out since we don't need it. So since we have an attribute and includes the relationship, we're gonna make one more table for that, and it's gonna be in the middle. So it's includes and we need the foreign key product ID key and the ID, that is the customer. Okay, bold it, don't forget to bold it, and main is underlined there, so it's a unique ID, and we have, I guess, quantity in there, how much we're getting. Alright, that's the last attribute of the ER diagram. Let's make it a little bit better so we can see easily. Alright, so as you can see, the reason is located in like the story is located in the reason IDs. Just connect those, make it a little. Alright, connect these, and we need the store to be connected with the cells, and the cells to be connected with the customer, since we're selling this product to the customer, and should be the quantity should be connected with the, just like in the ear diagram, which is connecting the dots, and the relationship should be connected. I think the relationship should be in a different way. And the product connected with the vendor and the category. So this is how you make and relational schema for an ER diagram such as this. And I hope I'm gonna make one more video on another type of video. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you learned something from it. See you next time. All right, thank you.